Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Prompt Engineering Real Life Examples module, where in this video today we'll be discussing about a real life example like how you can use ChatGPT to grow your businesses. And in that there can be various factors. You can ask questions to grow your businesses, such as you can ask about the strategies, about business advices, and various factors that I'll be showing you guys in our lab today. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right into the ChatGPT and just do our example. Alright, so here I have ChatGPT with me open, and as you guys know, to grow your businesses, there can be various factors, various questions and queries that you can ask ChatGPT. Let's just say you are running a coffee shop or a coffee business and you're having some problems in that you're not getting many customers, you're having trouble with marketing, and you're having a hard time paying your rent, and there are so many problems, you're unable to afford to run that business. So with that, you can ask multiple questions from ChatGPT, like how you can grow your businesses, and by giving all the problems, all the prompts according to the difficulties or problems that you're facing. So for the first example, let's just say you're having problem finding customers. So let's just ask ChatGPT about it and see how it's gonna help us in that. So I'm gonna write here. So I'll be saying I'm running a coffee shop business, but I'm having serious problems finding customers. So what kind of strategies you can give me to help increase my customers? So let's just enter and see what kind of strategies or advice is going to give it to us. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, it just gave us a lot of strategies with different techniques, or you can say different approaches that we can follow. First of all, it's saying increase customer traffic in a coffee shop requires a combination of effective marketing strategies and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Here are some strategies to help you increase your customer base. First, to say you need to develop a strong online presence. Then we should offer unique promotions. All right, that is a good strategy in my view. And it says partner with local businesses. That is actually very effective. And then say host events and workshops, enhance your ambience, offer quality products and exceptional services, utilize local partnerships and collaborations, engage with community, collect customer feedback, monitor your competition. So yeah, as you guys can see, there are quite a few very useful strategies that ChatGPT has given to us. And by following that, by applying that, we can actually get a lot of impact in our business. It may help us back to running normal. So yeah, let's just go with our second case scenario. Let's just say we are having problems with marketing, online, social media and stuff. Actually, I don't have any knowledge about social media. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT how we can, increase our marketing strategies through social media and online posts and something like that. So let's just see what ChatGPT is going to say about it. So I said I'm running a coffee shop business, but I'm having serious problems with online marketing. So what kind of strategies you can give me to help me increase my online customers? So let's just see what advice or strategies is going to give it to us for that. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, for the online marketing strategies, it says you need to optimize your website, alright? So that is actually quite useful. Then it's an implement search engine optimization, which is also known as SEO. And then it's a leverage local directories and review sites, develop engaging content, utilize social media effectively, collaborate with influencers, online advertising, email marketing as well. Then we need to collaborate with local bloggers and publications. That is actually very important and effective strategy in my case. Then it's a monitor and analyze results. So yeah, as you guys can get an idea, no matter what problem or what kind of query or whatever strategy you want to know, ChatGPT is now here for you to help you solve that problem. By that, I hope you get an idea how you can help boost your business, or if your business is slow, it's not going normal. So by the help of ChatGPT and AI, you can help find many strategies to help you boost your business. But in the end, you might be wondering like why we need to use ChatGPT. Like obviously you can see all of these strategies on Google as well. well. So why AI or ChatGPT for that? So for that, the answer is you can find answer to your queries online and Google. But the thing is, if you want to be more precise, if you want ChatGPT to act as a advisor or a guide for you, so you can get those advices and strategies from ChatGPT according to your situation. Okay, so that will be it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next real life example.